Hi everyone, it's Mark here at MAS Audio. In today's video we are working on our Nissan Xtrail. Do you remember the one we did all the fuel pump and bits and bobs on? Yes, we still have this vehicle, and today we are looking at these horrible cloudy headlights. And look at the difference between the indicator lens, they're all lovely and bright, and then you've got this horrible yellowy headlight. So we're going to try and clean that up today. And the other one is exactly the same, it's all faded in yellow. Now in the past I've used some of this stuff before, which works really well. You can just put it on a microfiber cloth and wipe it on, and it usually gets rid of most of the yellowing. And then this cutting compound, which is actually for car body work, actually also works really well. But today we bought a new kit, this Meguiars Headlight Restoration, which comes with this little bottle of polish and a couple of sanding pads, which we might not use because they're only required for stubborn stains. And then we've got our drill with this little wall pad, which comes in the kit as well. This is not sponsored, I've purchased this, so we're going to give it a try and see how we get on with it. I've also got a little spray bottle of water just to wet it so you don't go gouging and scratching your headlight lenses. So we're going to try that, see how we get on, and we'll show you the results. Okay, right, so the first thing we're going to do is just spray some water on our headlights. Now we're going to get our plastic polish. I'm just going to put some on this microfiber cloth first of all, then just wipe it into the headlight. Just rub that on there. Put a little bit onto the wall pad as well. Just dab that on the worst areas. Right, let's see what happens. Oh. Bit too fast. Just use the edges as well, just to buff along where you put that. Let's just get our cloth. Now for a first run, that is absolutely brilliant. That worked ever so well. Take a look at this. Look how clean that looks now. Didn't need the sanding pads because it wasn't too bad. Now look at that compared to this one. So we're going to do this one next, see if we can get that as good. But that's really impressive for a quick first run over. Right, I'm just going to do the same again. I'm going to put some on a cloth first, just run it in all over it. Cover it in all the areas. There we go. Just get that on there like that. Again, just a bit more on the pad. Bit up my nose. Ooh, I've knocked my sanding pad off. Probably not going to need those anyway. Right, take a look at that. Now that's just one pass with that polish, and it has come up lovely and clear. Much better. I'm going to give it a couple more goes and we'll see how we get on. Stuff is covering me all over my face. There's a really hard bit in the middle of that, so I'm going to use a little bit of this on there. Just a little stubborn patch in the middle of the light just there. And that's come up really well. Right. Let's just show you guys that. Look at that now. all that yellow is all gone. So we've actually got white LEDs in those headlights, but because the lenses are blue, it makes it look blue. Okay everyone, have a look at this. These headlights came up really well. All that yellowing has come off. They're lovely and clear. And this one that was really bad, let's take a look at that now. That is superb. So today we've used this Meguiars pack, which has got the wall pad. We didn't need the sanding pads, we just used the compound. And for the stubborn bits I did use some of this. This stuff is really good. It's good at getting oxidisation off your paint. It also cleans those plastics up really well, as you can see. So we used a bit of that as well, and the results came out absolutely brilliant. So that's going to be it for today's little short video. Thank you everybody for watching. Happy VE Day, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.